All right, we'll get right to the point. Today we're going to show you how to actually install some drawer slides. These are DTC drawer slides. I'm not sure where they're manufactured at, but actually they're pretty smooth. They operate very smoothly and they're pretty easy to install. I was a little intimidated when I started. No instructions, not anything to show how to put these in this RTA cabinets or ready to assemble cabinets. This is espresso shaker color, and we're just going to kind of point out the basics of installing these slides. As you see in the cabinet in the back corner back here, you see there's two hoses back here. Two there, two down there where that track's at, and there's two more up there. They're already covered. But you'll take these slides, just like you see that I have on the table here. You'll face them up, just like you see I have them on the table. Where these will slide back and forth. And then your first step is to go in there, and I'm probably going to cover up the light a little bit, but you'll slide these in the section you're going to put them in, and those two little nipples that you see there will actually go into the back of the cabinet. Now the tricky part is this: you have to pull these slides out to where they line up right there, just almost flush or a little bit back of the cabinet face. Now this piece is down here on the bottom, this section right here. Well, let me get to where the light, you see it. This piece actually slides on this piece here. And what confused me was when I put this in there, I had this all the way back, and then this section was not long enough. So this will actually, put the camera down here for a moment. See how that comes off of there? So in reality, when you install them on a cabinet like I'm working on, they're going to be about that far out. That confused me. And that was a little tough. All right, when you get ready to install the slides and before you put them in place, do what I did here, and as you see in the back of the cabinet. You'll put that little plastic piece back there, and there's two screws that hold it in place. Put this one in first, and then slide this piece over, and then you have access to the other screw. I hope this light is not too much. I'm trying to make this the best I can, but it's kind of dark in here. Once you have those screws, there's two screws in the left side, and then there's two screws in the right side. Once you have those, then you can put your tracks back in place. All right, your next step, you'll have two of these adjusters or latches, whatever you want to call them, that will come in the kit with the drawers. And I've already mounted the two on there. One goes there like that. The other one goes there, oh, dark, there we go, like that. And this little screw, or this little orange piece here, you can rotate it left or right to make your adjustments. The other part, this mechanism is what locks it into the actual slides themselves. Once you get those installed, you'll actually see there's two screws here, and there's another one right here. And they just fit squared up inside that corner right there, toward the face of the cabinet, with this protruding towards the back of the cabinet. The next step is pretty self-explanatory. You'll see that in the bottom of the drawer, there's a little groove cut out on the back side where the slides go through it. Like I said, it's a little dark. Hopefully you can see that. Set it down inside there just like that and push your drawer straight back all the way. And give it a little nudge. Excuse that. If that doesn't seat them in place, let's take a look. No, it didn't. Your next step will be to actually set the drawer in place. In the back side of each one of the drawers, there'll be a notch out right here where the slide will actually slide through it. set it down in there and take the drawer itself and hold the slide in this area here and push it to where this piece locks into it right here. If you need to make any adjustments, if it doesn't close right, you can do that by this right here. If you want to take the drawer back out, all you have to do is push this lever. Let me get my other hand up there. Push that lever over and lock it, and then your drawer will come out of there. But you see how it locked back in place? That secures the drawer in the slides. Do both sides the same way. And if you've got it all aligned right, simply close the drawer. And there it is, it closed right up. Like I said, these are DTC slides, and this is a ready to assemble cabinet, 3-drawer cabinet, 24 inches wide. I'm sure it's made in China, I'm not really sure, but actually pretty impressed with it. It's not really that hard to assemble. I hope this video helps you in one form or fashion. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going to be doing more videos. We're building our own home here. It's kind of off the grid. We do have electricity, but it's off the grid. Me and my wife are the only ones working on this project. And it's taken us about a year to this point to get where we're at. But we're getting it done slowly. And I think a lot of it I can attribute to YouTube. We've sure watched a lot of YouTube videos learning how to do some of this stuff. This project here I actually knew a long time ago. But I hope I can pass the information on to y'all that do need it. Thanks for watching. Oh, one thing I do need to add to the video is you see these little tabs back here? That's normally where the back of the drawer itself, you'll see a little hole there. And those little tabs need to be locked into that drawer in order for it to function properly and stay aligned. Each side will have one. You may not be able to see that one. But yeah, make sure that the drawer has a hole. Make sure that that little tab goes into the back of that drawer.